Ni hao and hello. Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and I'm so glad that you're joining us for another week of Mandarin in March. Come along with us. This week's song is a children's classic known as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or in Mandarin, Yi Shan Yi Shan Liang Jing Jing. Let's listen to how it goes. Ready? Turn those listening ears on. 一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星，挂在天上放光明，好像许多小眼睛。一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。Great, let's learn that song together. All right, so I'll sing a line and then I want you to repeat it back to me, okay? The first line sounds like this. 一闪一闪亮晶晶. Ready? 一闪一闪亮晶晶. Good, let's try that line together. A one, a two, 一二三. 一闪一闪亮晶晶. Good. The next line sounds like this. 满天都是小星星，满天都是小星星。Good, let's try that line together. A one, a two, 一二三，满天都是小星星。Great, let's add those two lines together and sing it all the way from the top, from top. A one, a two, 一二三，一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。Great! Now we need to know that line really, really well because we're going to repeat that all at the end of our song. So let's try it one more time from the top, from top, the head. A one, a two, 一二三。一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。Now this next part is a little bit tricky, okay? So let's listen to how it goes. I'll sing a line, you repeat it back to me, okay? 挂在天上放光明，挂在天上放光明。Good, let's sing that line together. A one, a two, 一二三，挂在天上放光明。Good. The next line sounds like this. 好像许多小眼睛，好像许多小眼睛。Good, let's try that line together. A one, a two, 一二三，好像许多小眼睛。Great, and remember, 眼睛 means eyes. All right, let's try both of those lines together. A one, a two, 一二三，挂在天上放光明，好像许多小眼睛。Good, then we add back on. 一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。Great, we made it all the way through the song together. Can you try it with me all the way from the top, from top? We'll go slowly this time, okay? A one, a two, 一二三，一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星，挂在天上放光明，好像许多小眼睛，一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。Great! Good job, everyone! Let's try it one more time from the top, from toe, a little bit faster this time, up to tempo. A 1, a 2, 1、2、3。一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星，挂在天上放光明，好像是我小眼睛。一闪一闪亮晶晶，满天都是小星星。Great job, everyone. Good job. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more Mandarin in March. 再见!